Now let us learn how to change the degree into other raised to form. If the given degree is positive degree, then we can change into comparative degree, sometimes superlative degree. And if there is a superlative degree form, then we can change the rest positive degree and comparative degree too. Before we go to try how to change the degree in degree sentence into other forms, let us revise or remind the adjective form of the degree comparison. For example, if I say big, big itself is a simple adjective form, that is why it is a positive degree form. But if I add er to the root form, that is simple form of the positive degree, then it becomes the comparative adjective form. It means if we add er to the simple form of adjective, then it becomes comparative adjective form. Sometimes if the adjective is more than 2 syllables or more or at least 2 syllables, in that case er is not added to the adjective, but there we use more before the adjective, then in that case it becomes the comparative adjective form. For example, if if positive degree form is comfortable, so this comfortable is is adjective made of 2 syllables. Here we can use more comfortable for comparative degree. We can't say a comfortabler. Er is not possible to add this simple form of adjective. But here in this case we have to add more before the adjective, then it becomes the comparative degree adjective. And same way, in that case, if I add the most before the comfortable, then it becomes the superlative degree form. It means if the given sentence is in superlative form, then we can change the raised degree, that is positive and comparative degree. Here few sentence given example. Let's go through this example. See here, river Ganga is the biggest river in India. So whenever we find article the before adjective and the adjective is in its st form, est is added to the simple adjective form, that's why the biggest is itself is the superlative degree form. Here what shall we do now to change into other degrees? Let's move to say here is change into comparative degree. See, the given sentence is river Ganga is the biggest river in India. So here river Ganga, Ganga here we find being a proper noun. What is the common noun of Ganga? River. So for changing the degree sentence into other form, we have to find first proper noun and common noun given in the sentence. Then we have to change their places vice versa in the sentence order. So here sentence starts with the river Ganga is the biggest river in India. So proper noun Ganga is given first and river common noun given second. Now what shall we do? Here we will go for changing river Ganga, that means we are comparing the other rivers in India. For comparative form, see here, we change the adjective biggest into bigger first of all, and we add then soon after this adjective er form. Here we are comparing this Ganga river with Yamuna. See there, the same degree form becomes the comparative form. How? Here river Ganga is bigger than Yamuna. So here we say in another form of the comparative form. In first form, in the biggest river, that means we are comparing river Ganga with other river in India. Whereas in second sentence, we are comparing river Ganga and river Yamuna. So, comparative degree is possible for interchange or intercomparison of two person or two class or two objects of the same class. So, here Ganga and river Yamuna is compared, but one of them we find bigger than in size, that is why it is a comparative form, comparative degree. So, here repeat the same sentence, river Ganga is bigger than Yamuna. So, here this sentence we find one of the river, that is Ganga, is in size bigger than the river of Yamuna. That is why here we can say it is a comparative degree. Now, if we are comparing the same degree into another form, that is a positive degree, then we have to say no other river. See, if river Ganga is compared here with, in first sentence we are comparing river Ganga with the other river in India. So, there it is a superlative degree form. But if we are changing this superlative degree into positive degree, then we are comparing no other river, common noun, that is river, but the no other of all the rest of the river in India, that is no other river in India is as big as river Ganga. So, while changing superlative degree sentence into positive degree, we have to change its order, that is proper noun and common noun. In positive degree, we will follow common noun in the beginning. In the beginning, there will be no other form of the negative form of the degree, and common noun, that is river. And as positive degree form, we change the given the biggest adjective form into simple form, that is as big as, and the comparative form of river Ganga as a proper noun is very last in the sentence. So, what are the common rules for changing the degree sentence into other form? First of all, we have to find the common noun, proper noun and common noun while changing, and then we have to find the adjective form. While changing the degree into another form, if the given sentence is positive, we change into negative, and then if the given sentence is negative, then we will change into positive. But it is possible for superlative to positive degree. Whereas in comparative degree, we will follow the common noun in the beginning. When there is a comparison between two things, two person, two object, then we will follow the same proper noun in the beginning and in the end of the sentence. Here river Ganga is compared with river Yamuna. If Sunil is compared with Manish, then there we find both are the proper noun. So, for comparative degree we need both of the same class noun, whereas in superlative degree we find one proper noun and the other is common noun, then it is possible for comparison. While changing superlative degree into positive, we have to follow the same sentence as in the beginning, no other plus common noun, then degree form in simple form as, and the proper noun soon after as in the positive degree. See here, one more example is given. But this type of sentence, see, Shivaji was one of the bravest king. In first comparison, we find only single river of the other river in India. Whereas in second example, we find Shivaji being one of the bravest kings. That means there were so many kings as brave as Shivaji, and Shivaji was one of them. So, this kind of superlative degree comparison is called unrestricted, and in previous example it was the restricted, whereas here unrestricted degree form. It means Shivaji was not only the bravest king, there were so many kings as brave as Shivaji. That is why for superlative form we have to say Shivaji was one of the bravest kings. So there were so many kings being brave, but Shivaji was one of them. So for superlative degree, here we have used one of the as a superlative form of the degree, that is in plural form. If this degree superlative degree is in plural form, then change for changing into comparative degree. How to change here? See given. Here also the same order. We have to follow with the proper noun. Shivaji was. Now we are changing this bravest, the bravest, that adjective form into comparative form, that is braver, and we add then soon after er noun, er adjective, then most other kings of India. When we change this superlative degree form into comparative, here we are finding Shivaji was braver than most other, because the given sentence in superlative is in plural form. So while changing to comparative form, soon after then we are using most other words for comparative degree. Now for positive degree, only a few kings. Now instead of no other, we will start with few words. A few kings, a few students, a few teachers, very few teachers, only a few teachers, only a few kings for positive degree while changing from superlative degree to positive degree. Only a few kings in India were as brave as Shivaji. So here from superlative degree, the sentence is in superlative degree in plural form. If we change the same degree sentence into positive form, then we will start with only a few kings, and that proper noun will be at the last. Now and degree form will remain simple for positive degree. Here we are following with as brave as. Which one was the bravest, one of the bravest kings in the superlative degree? Now it changed into simple form as brave as. So here we have discussed a few basic rules for changing sentence into another form of the degree form. So better you attempt the given exercise in the textbook. Thank you.